All right, so this food court looks like something you'd find on the Titanic. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bangkok. Today we are going to Icon Siam, the brand new super mall in Bangkok. It is right across the river, and hopefully I can get a boat. It's a bit confusing, there's so many boats, but I found it. Hey, it's a free boat ride too, that's pretty cool. I like this place already. I'm too tall for this country, I'm telling you guys. Okay, wait, is that the shopping mall? I thought that was like a luxury condo building or something. I didn't know that's actually where we were going. Okay, this place is something else. I can feel my wallet getting emptier just looking at this place. Okay, I guess we're here. I'm not quite sure if I've arrived at a shopping mall or, you know, the private palace of some king and queen, but this is a bit crazy. Okay, we got something going on up here. So this place only opened about 3 months ago, and if there's one thing I know about Bangkok, it's that they love shopping malls. They love over-the-top shopping malls. But this is like maybe the craziest one that they have. Wow. By the way, according to this, those free shuttles go from 8 a.m. until 11:30 at night. But yeah, I think it's time to check out inside. Let's go. I mean, it's not even a weekend. There's nothing special about today. This is a Thursday night. And okay, Icon Siam. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, I guess this is the entrance. You guys ready for this? It's about to get gold. All right, so this food court looks like something you'd find on the Titanic. Oh, look. Some giant tree carvings. Okay, Icon Siam. I see you. I see you. Okay, we are now exiting the Golden Jungle themed food court. To your left, you have stores that I cannot afford to look at. And to your right, we have another store that I cannot afford to look at. I'm just gonna keep my eyes closed. Okay, so obviously there is a lot going on here. I'm trying to find the floating garden thing that I heard about. It might be this? Or it could be this. I don't know, I might as well try the top floor just to see what it looks like up there. But I don't want to take 8 escalators, so let me see if I can find an elevator. Okay, there's some more information about that light show. I guess it's only 3 times a night. I must have got lucky. It was right when I showed up, so. Okay. I was trying to get to 8. That thing only went up to 6. But here I am. Okay, what? Is this a movie theater? I think their preview screen outside is bigger than most of the screens in the theaters I've been to. I don't know what else to say about that. Just a casual 100-foot waterfall as you eat your meal. Okay, maybe I can't go any higher yet. So the mall is not quite finished yet. Camel. Oh, I guess it's a horse. Anyway, this is the escalator that would have gone further up. And I guess, yeah, 7 and 8 are not done yet because, as I mentioned, the mall's just opened a couple months ago. But yeah, there's a museum, there's a car show place. I don't know, there's crazy stuff coming up there, I guess. And before I go down, I guess I should show you these escalators. You know, I almost didn't come here because, well, I don't have anything to buy. And when I go to malls, I usually have something to buy. But yeah, I'm really glad I did because, oh, look at this place. That guy scared me a bit, but okay. Anyway, yeah, I almost didn't come here, but I'm glad that I did because it's pretty impressive just walking around and seeing this place with your own eyes. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's a temple to shopping. It truly is a temple. That statue is a real person's head that exploded after walking into this place. Be careful, guys. Could happen to you. Quick shout out to another YouTuber I know called Dave on Arrival. Dave came to this mall about a month ago, and his video is the reason I knew about this place. I'm gonna go try and find that floating garden thing, and then I think that's gonna be it. Those prices actually aren't too bad. Okay, so down here, this is where the deals are. Oh, and there it is. The floating market in a shopping mall. You gotta see it to believe it. There's so much more I could show you, especially down here. This place is crazy. But I think it's time for me and this elephant to end this video. All right, guys. As always, I'm Dan from The New Travel. See you next time.